Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Gunnar right now, George. He got this 2020 KLX 110 and we're about to spice it up, put a little bit of parts on there, make it a little bit louder and maybe powerful. Maybe, hopefully we get some horsepower. Yeah, so he bought this Pro Circuit T6 exhaust to match the KX 450. Look at that. This thing's tiny, dude. Oh yeah, compared to this one, for sure. That's you versus the guy she told you not to worry about. Alright, he also has this UNI exhaust because the airbox on this is super restrictive. It's not even, I don't know. We'll see once we take it apart. It's not good. Are you excited? Very excited. I actually waited so long to get this and I really want to know how it sounds like. I mean, just look at this. Yeah, look at the difference. Okay, so check the hole out. Like, we're still gonna take this piece off, so it's gonna be even wider than that. But this thing is super tiny. Like, my pinky barely fits in there compared to this thing. And this should sound way better. Okay, dude, so real quick. So I feel like everybody that gets a KLX 110, these are probably the most recommended upgrades that you should probably do as soon as you can. First things first, an exhaust. I mean, as you can tell, the Pro Circuit exhaust compared to the original, that's a big difference on the exhaust. So I'm sure the sound's gonna be different. So that's definitely something that I would recommend to get. And I mean, come on, look at that. That looks really, really good. And then the other thing that I also recommend is the air filter. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna take that one off. And are we gonna do the airbox first or the exhaust? We'll probably do the airbox. So we'll take care of that first and then we'll put the exhaust on there. So yeah, so that should be pretty easy and fun to do. And probably not fun. Before we get started, we're gonna do a comparison. I have two different mics just in case one of them doesn't sound good, that we guys get an accurate representation of the sound. And we are indoors, so it might be a little bit louder than it usually is, but we'll see. So right now we're about 5 feet away. Yo, give us some pepper. So you have to take all the plastics off in order to get the fenders on the front off. But look at that box. So that's the restriction right there. It actually pulls in the air from the frame. That's what he's saying. Yeah. So you can see how restricted that is. So we're gonna change that out and put the UNI on there. So that's the airbox. That's the horrible airbox. Compared to this UNI. Yeah, but you see the size difference. This is way smaller, way more compact than that. And this thing gets direct air, straight in. Yeah, direct air, straight into the carburetor. So that thing, it just has one screw for the airbox and then 2 screws up here, one there and one in the back. And it just comes right out. So this thing should be small enough to clear the front fender. In the packet, there's also a bracket that goes onto one of these holes for the fender. So let's check it out. So what are you doing right there? So I'm gonna oil the filter. They had a tag on it that said to oil it before installing, so. Yeah, you don't want any dirt in your engine. Yeah, definitely, so just gonna do that. What brand oil do you use? Maxima, Racing Oils. Racing Oils, nice. Is that a good brand? The best one you can get. One of the best ones. So it all depends. You don't have to really put that much. I just like to overdo it. You can just, you know, spray the surface, but I like to really coat my filters. I just like to be extra. You like to spend money. Yeah, money that I don't have. I don't see it getting in the way of anything, but that's how close my patience is when I hang out with this guy. Yeah, you love it. So you just gotta tighten that one screw on the rubber, and that's it, right? The hose clamp, yeah. The hose clamp. Trying to hold my hand? Maybe. Is the camera on? Yeah, it's on. I don't want to hold your hand. Move the fender or the wheel. So it's not rubbing. It's pretty close, but no, it's good to go. What do you think about it? Good. I think it's gonna definitely help out the engine, definitely. Definitely open it up? Yeah, for sure. So the next step now is remove this nasty old thing. Look at this, just zoom in on that, look at that. It looked bigger, but no. It's just a little plate. Yeah, the plate makes it look bigger, but no. It's super small, probably super restrictive too. Yeah, so in the package, what is it called, air filter kit? Yeah, air filter kit. Yeah, it should come with this metal bar, and this metal bar is so that the plastics you can screw back on. And you want to put it on the first hole there, that way it lines up. So for the exhaust, you're gonna need a size 12 on the end. The one down by the cylinder should be a 12 mil. All right, man, let's compare this compared to the Pro Circuit.
Okay, so right away, this is one piece. This is just one complete piece.
Yeah. Oh, it's all welded together.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then on the Pro Circuit, I mean, it's two pieces. So
yeah, put these side by side. Look how much thicker that is compared to the UNI thing.
So this is how it goes.
You can definitely tell the difference. This thing is way more open. Hell yeah, dude. It's gonna look way better too. Even on this end, look, the Pro Circuit's way bigger than the stock.
Yeah. See that?
So on the stock, there's so small of a hole, look. So this is a stock, when you see that little puny hole, it's probably the size of a pencil compared to this one that's fully open. That's crazy, dude. Yeah. It's gonna open it up way more.
For sure.
All right, let's go ahead and put it on. All right, so there it is. You can see it's way cleaner. It looks way better than the stock exhaust, beefier too. So let's just get the plastics back on.
One more thing.
What?
We gotta take out that spark arrestor.
Oh, the spark arrestor, that's right. So we're gonna take this thing off. There's just one screw and Allen. And then we'll put the plastics back on so we can do the test. Are you gonna do some wheelies?
Yes, sir.
Some good ones?
You have to do wheelies.
Some good ones though?
My wheelies are always good, what are you talking about?
We'll see right now. All right, so you have it on now, so let's do the sound test. We already did the stock one, and we're gonna play this one back to back, that way you can hear the difference. But there it is, look at that, twins. When are you gonna get graphics for it? Or just gonna once you break these in?
Yeah, once I break them in, we'll put some new decals on it.
Dude, that looks sick. Back to back.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, put it next to it so you can see how big the hole is.
Look at that.
Yeah, so that little tiny thing, that's the hole compared to that. And it's even smaller than that inside. Yeah. It's like super tiny, so it should be able to breathe now.
Yeah, so real quick, let me show the spark arrestor.
Oh yeah.
So this is what it looks like. You guys ready? You guys ready? Hey, don't be thinking wrong, alright? Spark arrestor.
No one's gonna know what means.
Yeah.
Guys, we messed up. So because of the exhaust and the air filter, it's getting too much air. So we need to adjust the air filter. Turn it on so they can see. Give it some gas.
It just died.
Oh, it just dies. Yeah, so we need to adjust that because that's not good.
Yeah.
The bad part about this is we put all the plastics on before we thought about it. So we're gonna have to take them off again just to be able to access the air fuel mixture screw. So yay, have fun. Okay, so we need to get it adjusted by someone who actually knows, but we tried our best. So go ahead and turn it on so we could hear. So we're about 5 feet away, same as before. I have a different lens on so it's closer, but go ahead. Rev it. Yo, give it some pepper. What do you think?
Sounds freaking dope.
Way better than before. Right?
Way better, dude.
All right, now show us some of the wheelies that you can do.
Wheelies? I'm not that good, so bear with me.
Don't be shy.
Bogging, bro. Bogging.
All right, do a rip. Okay, so that's the install for the exhaust and the filter. We're not professionals, so we did not get the carburetor adjusted right. But we're gonna take it to someone who knows how, and then it'll be 100%. But it's rideable right now. Probably not gonna ride it, but yeah. What are your thoughts?
Well, the wheelies are kind of okay. It bogs out, so hopefully we can get that fixed. That way we can be solid and do some good wheelies.
Yeah, hopefully. So that's it for this video. See you guys on the next one. Peace.